Hello and welcome back to the July 4th craft. So today we're going to be making, look at this, a windsock. Can't have too many of those. And it has its very own pipe cleaner handle, so you can twirl it around and you can use it again and again. So if you picked up your bag from the library, let's see what we have inside. You have a little instruction sheet that has my email at the bottom, ggatto@lmls.org. You can send me a picture of what you've made and we'll post it on the library's Facebook page. There are some fun facts about the 4th of July and also a coloring page. You might have the eagle or the Statue of Liberty. That's just for you to color in and have fun. You should also have, where is it? Oh, yep, here it is. A fun sticker. Look, it's a puppy. So you can put that on your shirt or give it to a friend or put it in the sticker book. And then here's all the goodies. So you should have a piece of blue paper, a toilet paper roll, your pipe cleaner, your sparkly pipe cleaner. And then you're going to have about 5 or 6 cotton balls, little ones. And then you're going to have some crepe paper, or sometimes people call them streamers. Okay. They're all going to be roughly the same length. And after you put them on your toilet paper roll, if you want to cut them, you can. Like you can see here, mine are different lengths. Some of the ribbon and yarn is a little bit longer. I kind of like it, but you can certainly cut it down. So the first thing we're going to do is get your paper and your toilet paper roll. And you're going to, now if it's a little bit bigger, you can cut it down. We're going to roll it up like this. And then when you get to the edge, you can use your glue stick or tape. Okay, put some glue stick along here. And you continue rolling it, and that should close. And if you want a little bit of extra stickiness, you can put some of your tape down. And even though this is a little bit longer, that's okay. I'm going to keep it like that. All right. And I just ran out of tape. So give me 1 second so I can get some more tape. All right, I'm back with more tape. We always have more supplies here. Okay, so you can put your streamers and your ribbons, you can lay it all out on the table. So there's some red, white, and blue. You don't have to use all of it if you don't want to. I just think it's kind of fun to use all of it. You can put all the reds together, the blues together, the white together, however you want to put it on here. I kind of alternated the colors. And then what I did is, because the streamers or the crepe paper is wider, I wanted that sort of like in the background, and then I wanted you to be able to see the yarn and the ribbons on the outside. So in order to do it that way, you actually have to tape the ribbon and the yarn first inside. And again, this is your work, so you can do this any way you want. I'm just showing you the way I do it. So what I do is, I'm going to get, say, my first piece of ribbon. I'm going to get a piece of tape. You can use glue, but then you're going to have to wait for it to dry. I just find tape to be a little bit easier. I'm going to put it on like that. So some of the ribbon is on the tape and there's a little piece left over. And then I'm just going to stick it down there and push it against the side. You see in there? And then I'm going to get my other blue. This one happens to be yarn. I'm going to do the same thing. Oh, I got a little messed up. Get a piece of my tape. Tape it on to the yarn. And then I'm just going to go on the opposite side and put it on. Put it in there. You can do it on the same side right next to it if you want. See how that is? Now it does get a little tricky as you go on because now you have like all these things hanging. So just take your time. If you need some help, ask a big person to help. All right, I think I'm going to start with red next. And if you want to use glue, that's fine. It's just going to take longer to dry. And glue stick's okay to use. I just find that the tape holds it better. Okay, and this time I'm just going to kind of go over here, push it in. See, it's down there. And then you're going to keep doing that until all of your red, white, and blue pieces of yarn and ribbon are taped securely inside. And I'm going to go with the white. Ooh, this is a fun one. I like this one. It's like kind of fuzzy yarn. I'm going to put that over here. It might get stuck to some of the stuff, but you can work it out. Just take your time. Right, and then there's a piece of white ribbon. I'm going to put that on this side. And see how that looks. And if you want to keep it just like this, that's fine. You don't have to put the crepe paper on. But if you do, I'm going to turn it over, and I'm kind of going to get some of the ribbon and some of the yarn out of the way. And then I'm going to tape on the crepe paper. I'm going to put like a piece of white here, the red here, the blue over there. It's a little bit easier if I do it one at a time. Okay, I'm going to get the tape. I'm just going to put a piece like this. A piece just like that. And then I'm just going to shove it in there and then just push down the tape with my fingers. If it gets a little wrinkly, that's okay. I'm going to try the white piece here. See? Shove that down this side. And do like this. There we go. And I'm going to put the blue on this side. Just like that. Turn it over. Just gently shake it out into your pieces. You don't want to tug because it'll rip it off. You see, there we have it. And then what I did is then I got, and I did this before, these are supposed to be clouds or stars. You can even use some glitter if you have some glitter at home. Or mica flakes, which I use now, since glitter is not really environmentally friendly. So if you have a hole punch at home, you can put 2 holes in. One on one side, one on the other side. Or you could also tape this in. And then if you want to use this as a handle, I found the easiest way to do it was to push a little bit in and then just sort of twist it around that end, just like that. And then go on the inside, push it out a little bit so it comes up enough to meet this side and twist it. So you have a little handle. And that's what you can use to carry it around. And now the fun part comes with the decorating. So you can use markers if you want to decorate. You can decorate your paper before you glue it on, because I'm telling you this now. So you can say, you know, let me see, here's like a green, right? You can put a little heart. You can put your name. You can do whatever you want with your markers and crayons. Get your glue stick or some glue and just put some big circles of glue stick on there. Get your little cotton ball if you want and just stick it on. And that holds it really well. And you can make a pattern out of it, or you can just put it on randomly. I've got a few more. Maybe I'll do one more down here. There you go. And there is our 4th of July windsock. So you can just twirl it all around. You can run with it, trail it behind you. You can hang it. You can just hang it somewhere. Of course, if you're hanging outside, make sure it's protected because it will, of course, get ruined if it rains, it gets caught in the rain. You can put it outside if it's not raining. So take a picture of your beautiful creation and email it to me so I can post it on the library's Facebook page. I hope you had a nice time and happy 4th of July, and I hope to see you at the library soon. Bye.